This is Tyler Bettis with Riverway Financial. In this video, I'm going to talk about your options during a tax lawsuit. We understand that having your home or property that you own in a tax suit can be upsetting and a little scary. And often when this happens, homeowners are already dealing with personal, family, or even health-related issues on top of the added stress of dealing with the lawsuit. However, there is still time to fix this situation before the property goes to a tax auction. If you're looking to maintain your current home or the property that you own, there are a couple of ways to go about it. You can either, number one, pay the full tax amount due, or you can negotiate a payment plan with the law firm Linebarger, Gogan, Blair, and Sampson, LLP, otherwise known as LGBS. If you're not looking to keep the house, it's usually best to sell the property before the court commands an order of sale and the property goes to auction. The reason for this is bidders at auction always want to pay the lowest amount possible for a house, of course, just enough to cover the debt on the property, and many times this will leave the homeowner with less money than they deserve. Now, I do have to give a disclaimer before continuing talking about working with LGBS. We are not lawyers, nor is this considered to be legal advice, and please consult an attorney before making any decisions that may have legal impact on you or your family. Okay, so negotiating payment terms with LGBS is the most common approach taken to avoid an auction versus paying off the full taxes due. This option may cause you to have a monthly payment plan for a temporary period of time, ranging from 1 to a few years. For individuals already struggling to make their current tax payments, an adjusted payment plan may not be the best option because the payments will be added on top of tax amounts due in the near future. Now, if you decide to sell your property, at Riverway Financial, we have options that enable our clients to avoid many of the obstacles associated with selling, which can include the hassle of working with a realtor, waiting for weeks or months to have property sold, and you can see our process video for more on this. And you can avoid most, if not all, of moving costs because we will help cover those, and you won't have to worry about repairs that may need to be done. Most importantly, you won't have to pay any of the overdue taxes. We take care of those for you. Also, if needed, we'll be able to help you with finding a new place to live. Finally, you may use some of the proceeds from the sale to help pay your other bills as well as allow for some savings. Now, you might be thinking, all of that sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, I'll tell you. The only way that we are able to give so much to our clients is by getting something in return. And what we get in return is a small discount to the market value of their house. Now, there are people who are not willing to take a little bit less for their house for our kinds of services, and that's okay. Some people would rather take their chances with a tax auction or try to set up a payment plan, whether they can afford it or not. And that's fine. It's all about what you want and doing what you think is best for your long-term future ahead for you and for your family. However, if you feel that allowing for a small discount on your property would be acceptable for you, considering your other time and monetary concerns, then please feel free to contact us. We'd be happy to learn more about your situation and show you how we can help. If you would like to get a general understanding for our process, please watch our process video. And thank you so much for watching. We look forward to talking with you soon.